So, most people solve this question like 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? Then 10 times 3 is equal to 30, right? Now 30 divided by 30 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So now 30 divide 3. Now solve this parenthesis first. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So multiply 10, right? Now here we have one division and here we have one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 times 10, right? So 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So the correct answer is 100. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.